Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today we're back once again at Camp Nou for another construction update, taking a closer look at the latest progress happening around this iconic stadium. If you enjoy regular updates on major stadium projects and mega builds from around the world, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started. Construction work at Camp Nou continues to move forward steadily. Right now, the main focus is on strengthening key structural elements and preparing several areas of the stadium for upcoming phases. While some of these changes may not look dramatic from the outside, they are absolutely crucial and form the foundation for everything that will follow. A significant amount of work is currently concentrated on the seating areas and their supporting structures. Crews are carrying out reinforcement, alignment, and preparation of the stands. These steps are essential before major installations such as roof components, service systems, and final finishes can begin. This phase plays a vital role in ensuring long-term safety, stability, and durability of the stadium. If you're enjoying these Camp Nou updates and want to stay up to date with daily mega project coverage, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and keeps you from missing future updates. Inside the stadium, progress continues at pitch level and across internal zones. This includes groundwork, access routes, service corridors, and the installation of technical infrastructure. Much of this work isn't always clearly visible, but it's essential for how the stadium will function once completed and allows future phases to move forward without delays. Another key aspect of the renovation is the coordination between multiple construction teams working simultaneously across the site. Structural engineers, civil crews, and technical specialists are operating in parallel to ensure each phase aligns with the overall master plan. On a project of this scale, precise coordination is critical, especially in a dense urban environment like Camp Nou. Temporary structures and safety systems also play an important role during this stage. These support existing sections of the stadium, protect workers, and allow construction to continue efficiently. As permanent elements are installed in the coming months, many of these temporary systems will be removed, revealing more of the transformation underneath. Looking ahead, upcoming stages are expected to focus more on vertical development and roof-related elements. As these phases begin, progress will become far more noticeable both inside the stadium and from the surrounding areas. That's all for today's Camp Nou construction update here on MegaVerse Builds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.